Hello everyone, welcome back to Law with Professor Anita. If your dream is to study law at one of India's most prestigious law universities, then this video is exactly what you need. Today we're diving deep into AILET, the only examination that can get you into National Law University Delhi. This is not just a basic overview. In this complete guide, I'll walk you through everything: eligibility, exam pattern, important dates, preparation strategy, cutoff trends, counseling process, and common mistakes to avoid. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear and structured roadmap to crack AILET with confidence. Today, we're talking about AILET, the only exam that can get you into National Law University Delhi. Trust me, this isn't just another exam overview. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap from registration to result, exam pattern to preparation strategy, cutoff trends to counseling. So grab a notebook, remove distractions, and let's begin. Let code S first to understand what AILET actually is. AILET stands for All India Law Entrance Test. It is conducted exclusively by National Law University Delhi for admission into its BA, LLB, Hons, LLM, and PhD programs. What makes this exam unique is that NLU Delhi does not accept scores from the Common Law Admission Test. While most other national law universities take CLAT scores, NLU Delhi has its own separate entrance exam. So if NLU Delhi is your target, AILET is your only gateway. Every year, thousands of aspirants compete for a very limited number of seats, which makes this exam highly competitive, but absolutely crackable with the right strategy. Now, why is NLU Delhi such a big deal? NLU Delhi consistently ranks among the top law institutions in India under the National Institution Ranking Framework. Rankings, it offers world-class faculty, excellent research opportunities, strong mooting culture, and top-tier placements. Leading law firms, litigation chambers, policy organizations, and corporate houses recruit from here. The campus in Dwarka, New Delhi provides a vibrant academic environment and outstanding infrastructure. So yes, the effort you put into AILET is completely worth it. Now let's talk about the timeline. Based on previous year trends, AILET is usually conducted in December. Registrations typically begin around August and continue till November. Admit cards are released a few weeks before the exam, and results are usually declared within a short period after the exam. The counseling process begins soon after the results. My advice: never wait until the last date to apply. Complete your registration early to avoid technical issues or last-minute stress. Coming to eligibility for the BA LLB program, you must have passed Class 12 or be appearing in it with at least 45% marks. For SC, ST, and PWD candidates, the minimum is 40%. There is no upper age limit, which is great news for many aspirants. For LLM, candidates must have completed their LLB with the required minimum 50% percentage. Always verify the official notification when it releases, but these have been the consistent criteria. Now, this is extremely important. The exam pattern, AILET is conducted in offline mode, meaning it is a pen and paper test. For BALLB, the paper consists of 150 multiple choice questions divided into 3 sections: English language, current affairs and general knowledge, and logical reasoning. You get 120 minutes to attempt 150 questions, which means less than 1 minute per question. Time management is absolutely critical. Each correct answer gives you 1 mark. But there is negative marking of 0.25 marks for every incorrect answer. That means 4 wrong answers can cancel out 1 correct answer. So random guessing is dangerous. Accuracy matters more than blind attempts. The English section tests grammar, vocabulary, and reading comprehension. Current affairs focuses largely on the past 12 months, along with static GK like polity, history, and awards. Logical reasoning carries the highest weight and can truly decide your rank. This section includes analytical reasoning, critical reasoning, syllogisms, puzzles, and basic legal reasoning, where you apply principles logically. Now let's talk preparation strategy. Ideally, you should divide your preparation into 3 phases. The first phase is foundation building. During this time, focus on strengthening grammar, improving vocabulary, reading newspapers daily, and understanding reasoning concepts clearly. Make notes for current affairs consistently. Logical reasoning should be practiced daily because it carries the highest weight. The second phase is intensive preparation. Start solving previous year papers and take weekly mock tests. This is where you build speed and accuracy. After every mock test, spend at least 2 hours analyzing your mistakes. Identify weak areas and improve them systematically. The final phase is revision and mock practice. Take full-length tests under exam-like conditions. Revise your notes multiple times, especially current affairs. Do not start new topics in the last week before the exam. Focus only on strengthening what you already know. Now, the big question: what score is safe? Cutoffs vary every year depending on the difficulty level of the paper, number of candidates, and overall performance. For general category candidates, historically, a high score with a strong All India rank within top positions is necessary for a safe chance. Instead of aiming just for the cutoff, aim significantly higher. A target score above 100 is a strong psychological benchmark to work toward, though actual cutoffs may fluctuate. Let's quickly understand the registration process. Once the official notification is released, visit the official website of National Law University Delhi. Register with your basic details, create login credentials, fill in your academic information, upload required documents like photograph and signature, and pay the application fee online. Double check every detail before submitting because corrections are often limited. After submission, download and save the confirmation page. On exam day, carry your admit card and valid photo ID. Reach the center early, stay calm, read instructions carefully before filling the OMR sheet. Manage your time wisely and avoid getting stuck on one question. Remember, if a question feels tough to you, it's likely tough for others as well. After the exam, the provisional answer key is released. You can calculate your approximate score and raise objections if necessary. The final result will display your marks and All India rank. Counseling involves multiple rounds where seats are allotted based on merit. Make sure you register for counseling separately and keep all original documents ready for verification. Before I end, let me share some common mistakes students make. Many ignore current affairs thinking it's less important, but those 30 marks can be game changing. Some students don't take enough mock tests. Others panic because of negative marking and lose confidence. The key is balanced preparation, consistent revision, and smart practice. Also, avoid using too many study sources. Stick to a few good materials and master them. Finally, remember this: AILET is challenging, but it is absolutely crackable. Success doesn't depend on coaching institutes or background, it depends on consistency, discipline, and clarity of strategy. If you prepare smartly and stay committed, there is no reason you cannot see your name in the final merit list of National Law University Delhi. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow aspirants. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll try to help. All the best for AILET 2026. Stay focused, stay consistent, and all the best.